You think getting rich means waking up one day and suddenly your bank account looks different. You think there's going to be this moment, this big, obvious moment where you feel wealthy. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The process of getting rich is almost completely invisible while it's happening. And most people walk right past the signs because they're looking for fireworks when wealth actually builds itself in silence. Today, I'm going to show you 12 signs that you are secretly, quietly, steadily getting richer, even if your lifestyle doesn't look any different. Stay with me, because sign number 4 is the one that most people completely misread as a problem. Before we even get into the list, understand one thing. Wealth isn't a feeling. It's a math equation. And that equation is working or it isn't. Your emotions about it don't change the numbers. So stop waiting to feel rich and start learning to read rich. Here we go. Sign number 1. Your savings rate is going up, not your spending. This is the most boring and most powerful thing happening to you right now. The distance between what you earn and what you spend is the only number that actually matters in the early stages of building wealth. Warren Buffett lived in the same house for decades while his net worth exploded. That wasn't an accident. That was the game being played at the highest level. Sign number 2. You have an emergency fund and you've stopped thinking about it. If you have 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account and you don't even stress about it anymore, you have crossed a critical threshold. Sign number 3. You're investing consistently even when the market looks terrible. If you're the person who keeps contributing even during a rough quarter, you are doing something that separates generational wealth builders. Sign number 4. And here's the one that trips people up. You feel like you're falling behind your friends. Your coworker just bought a new truck. Your friend just posted pictures of a vacation you couldn't imagine affording. You're not doing something wrong. What you're watching is called consumption signaling. High-income earners who display wealth visibly tend to have lower net worths. Sign number 5. Your debt is shrinking and your assets are growing at the same time. This is the quiet engine of real wealth building. Your liabilities are shrinking while your assets are expanding. This double movement is the quiet engine of real wealth. Sign number 6. You've started thinking in assets, not purchases. You look at every dollar and think about what it could do. When you start naturally asking what an asset returns instead of what a purchase costs, your relationship with money has changed at the root. Sign number 7. Your credit score has improved significantly. A higher credit score is not just a number, it is a financial lever. It determines the interest rate on every major purchase. You have quietly increased your future power and decreased the cost of borrowing. Sign number 8. You're making income from more than one source, even if it's small, even if it's dividends. The moment you have more than one income stream, you have fundamentally changed your financial risk profile. You've built redundancy. Sign 9. Spending on value. Sign 10. You have a plan. You can't manage what you don't measure. Awareness is a powerful predictor of wealth. Sign 11. People are starting to ask you financial questions. You are becoming the person who is visibly getting it right. Sign 12. You are less anxious about money. That reduction in anxiety is mathematical. It means your foundation is getting stronger. Getting rich is not a moment, it's a direction. Trust the process and keep moving. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.